Bwega sana kaire murithiri wa Meru TV tukoina mbere kwe watu wecho kagira kaire kengo tuigwa tukiaranagiria na tumenya na hata kurikiri kagita gaka mwerekera wa mugongo ina tukoina mbere kwa tukiragira mantu mwanya tumara mele tumakina mbere kwa makiumagira mantu makoneni na thirikari nene mantu makwa thirikari ya county na kinya maturani metukaina mbere kwa tukimurika mantu kathumba tu na rukirwe mundi tuwatanete na bwana Njero Credible around ni Mubango. Karibu sana kiongozi. Thank you for coming. Kethe murithiri wa Meru TV kengo tuinambere kwa tukiambagiria rwari rwetu bwega.
Ibwega Mr. Faminas. Kie mutegeri wa Meru TV mbetagwa Njero Credible kumarotero South Imenti Nkobo and ibwega nuntu bwa gitajarire economic professional am an economist and the FKF Secretary General South Imenti na ibwega nuntu bakanyaga gatuguwatanira kenda twaria na uninkarankiuga utembijeteri na rushuru nora rushurungi ashume nora ashume rengi ande ibwaga nuntu kwegitaritwe na rero kirerwa narua kenda tumba kunora na utethani mathogani nuntu umwe muntu umwe igashiko.
Bwega sana, thank you very much bwana Njero na ibwega nuntu bokinya kwina mantu mengi sana methero tumakina mbere kwa makendelea andhulu yetu ya Kenya bwana Njero muno tukirithagire mantu makonini na thirikari nene kwina muno mantu Gachagua na rais thirikari na munini wake the other day tuonire thirikari kana tuonire koti ina mbere kwegwa giteaniria ndeto ya benchira ya tareto ni Philomena Mwiru kuthikiria gambare ya Gachagua untu wonekania tabwanenkere Gachagua mileage kirimantu makoneni na siasa. Maybe what do you think might happen again itukwirigira muthenya wa tariki 15 Gachagua thina mbere kwigwa kilaunch kiama yake kira gikuonekana komba kwa kina kainya fulani ande ni andhuru yetu ya Kenya. Maybe kulingana nago do you think kiameke komba kwigwa kina ulitobune na muonora compare na kiki utongolete kagitani ka UDA do you think kiameke komba kwigwa kireta murugutira kana yichenchia mantu mwerekera wa siasa andhuru yetu ya Kenya?
Okay, Mbuga Famina nuko meini Kenya kwina kwikyo kiwipaga voters na voters pa Kenya it's not so much about their ideology, it's not so much about ura muntu akari na guika na tibui but ibega untu kangi ka sympathy emotionally are we attached with you na mbuge even before Gachagua ayeja kwa impeached utia Gachagua ari ground ya kumutore na nyala ici tia Gachagua era ground personally himself akena wanaru akwenda kura no agekura na no ikinyinya at some point bakamwate no ntona bui yani nyoga kuno na nkorocia nto babonde bakuthinga ta Gachagua tia bakuka Gachagua na bui but there is something there bakwa na Gachagua bakwa associate nio.
Why do you think timu yega na tukiona gakinya tongore kuma Meru na bangi bakithikirewe
what I mean tia ko muntu muthu but ikura otega muntu na ritho le mutongeria na kwiringina le otega muntu na ndeja unkuga voters okamutegera na ritho le nikio kuthurumiwa nikio kuurwa nikio gucumburwa ija ukeja kwithira mwokuru na antu murume tauni ni uketha murume akiura mwokuru evire mbone nyate tinda kuri makosa je kumwokuru athithirie ariona mwokuru wa kuthithirwo injustice wethera na bui kana atibui bakenda kwa attached kana associated na mwokuru uriku na mwokuru no baure nya murume tauni no bakwetha nyanto murume atiukara makosa so what is happening even before the impeachment equally no ntubwa teka bakwa associated no muno ntu character wise kana quality wise is a good leader but ino ntoka kuuro theri so and even before the case process you on the impeachment everybody na afiraga Gachagua gakuuro teka thuki tia kwina anything else but gakuuro na no komento bamberia uchi associate nawe bagi sympathize no yo ranto ba sympathize na Ruto igitarambi ria uru na the political mileage Gachagua thirete akinginaga is as a result of kuurwa kura ukara kiura kwa thirikari kuma impeachment kuma angang anto ba centro bamberia kunganga against you akinege ichungwa na ukona despite of anything they do nyaba kadhiria maendeleo ya kariate bamberia kuura Gachagua everybody aliona mtoka kuuro theri tiga tu sympathize tiga tu muigirwe kiao and that is what is dragging forward to na ndaja ukugana ndi mwanka tha ici I think nare na mucemanio the other day Kiambu yo gwa manto ja one term of recent utimtu ndona apurite such a crowd nukuona one term na mtu mwendo na comment ya ituture kuga ile opposition leader this is a different opposition leader na kiama kiu yetere to raunchwa I tell you for free family
yes
it will not be a walk in the park
okay
no to yani nukomea yeterio konora UNDA yeteri no likana iginda ria ruto abiririe kwengwa kia mene ngo kia mene kia Jubilee antu bonthe bawe ngo kia mene kia Jubilee na watie kana nde alienda kuinywa watie ka otikia mena kio kana kia makiumbo murunge ka kina power kiumbo murunge ko tongerie no ntono tige twende pite paterindo on Jubilee so it was expected mtojo no yena kia makera no tuki are powerful ndi no ntono kwa nyagi kueberwa everybody still kina inya no to kina elected leaders ano kuona egitarerea UNDA formero ya musedo indi atukaba mieterete no to they are getting associated with this person I tell you kia makiu gia gachagua kieja ko form utim especially in Mount Kenya utim direction ni karusi na tino ntumbuga kina good ideologies tino ntumbuga ikibu sana nyato tume hiki kia makiriku kita ni vendi ki kwa public but ukona wevirere ku anto bali chwa anybody uraomba kuita Ruto arera kali arera thuki arera bui anybody uraomba kuita Ruto it's your friends it's an enemy of the enemy
lakini bwana Njeru tukirithagiria na njira tu yengi kuma kire marais mana tu tukiona kuma nyuma tukiambagiria na Kenyatta ngwitigia na pasire yari utongoriani tutamoi atongoririe mwanga kagita karendaga twaya kire mtu takibake aringa mianke 10 twaya kire Uhuru aringa mianke 10 why do you think maybe Ruto atiri dhiria yake 10 think guarantee bearing in mind Ruto na thirikari na machinery na kila kintu kubatara kwegwa you know
nande kuga think guarantee but ndatas never right
okay
we antoto agiwete nabo last elections mtu mwenye mwanka yene andora kwangage ndamutarithia mathabu no ntu kura mathabu ni numbers te emotion toro kuthogania toro kuigwa na te history in numbers na egitarume ya Mount Kenya iri na King bakaraba kiuga na ndera ire na 6 million yewe alienda tukura tu kai Mount Kenya ndabera statistics itetago na numbers itetago no to yuchi arate yako no chiki kithetine siri constant tiringithwa kaire na ndege yete gochwa ija gochokera chukuru na maximum magana jairo kauga magana jairo jara uka wejete ocho jange wongera nyano gwethio kwagwata inye kana lagintu uragwete 200
very true
na ndi numbers never lie na I want to tell you kira gigatethia Ruto for free kira kia mutethia ya arithmetic iri gapurewa out by the opposition leaders baba bakwejamwe those arithmetics kanora baka watana nora baka eja na itibiria can determine so much whether Ruto will remain or will move out but for the first time no to the history ituture tuije ukona last election 2022 utimu mtu wetekagia buru and that is why au nenya kingangi agwire utimu mtu wetekagia buru thikare no icindwe ina Raila na ina incumbent kana ina president uroka ririte giti na ina Raila opposition utu ina 6 million ciawe ko everyone was expecting 6 million alienda kuongoro kura inye inkai president ina million ijeri
na president no already no
na newe gitini no na machinery no na kila kitu ba expecta karuma kuongera kura mbuga ngiri million ijeri mtu arume okuruka but that is far away from the truth no to I tell you the opposition we kalika ya kugwatana bakena chonto ku agency nego chukuma Matiang'i the former president nego chukuma Matiang'i everybody else na ko embrace pakeja urunge Matiang'i I tell you for free itikeu president inori wikia ga kiuma mbairu dainya rukiri and what is happening ukaja ndienda totale numbers in Mount Kenya we have 5.4 million na tugachia area Ruto atena ground in Mount Kenya witie kware kwina me atena ground in Mount Kenya
lakini anga tiena mwana wenu professor
whichever nyake na leaders bonde nya agwe tukimonda ugire aja the other time in Mount Kenya people are never led by leaders
okay
It is people that lead the leaders.
Yeah.
What I mean, Mount Kenya batiringa kura na ala mutongeria wao kwenda baringa. Imutongeria wao wita na ala baba kwenda kuringa kura.
Okay.
In simple, ikyo wakiuga listening to the ground. Ground utena nge thika iwe Mount Kenya.
Mount Kenya ke.
Bau bange weta Nyanza bathinga ta mutongeria wao. Weta Kalenjin bathinga ta mutongeria wao. Weta Ukambani bathinga ta mutongeria wao. Ground thika iwe Mount Kenya ke. No tukarago thikira ground Mount Kenya okaura. No gore. Na nde in Mount Kenya the 5.4 million you tara you president ya tena chio. There is over 2 million votes in Ukambani. There is uko na dhaimu Kalenjin a Kisii arungamie presidential candidate tulichoka kia arithmetic cha 2002 ile chiari Bantus against the Nilotes ile wethara na igitarira gwatuikaga every time tu na Ruya as a deputy president wethara ruterwa Western na Nyanza Kisii Ruya na Kuria all of them bari African kana bari thingata the Bantu community. That is the Ukambani, the Mount Kenya region. Na ndio wethara nyara ici no the other time gutagia mutonge o mobilize Kisii gikaratheka ke united away from the kingpin roto the Raila. It is Matiang'i. Na Raiji Ruya, they feel they are more closer to Matiang'i than they are to the Baba. The exactly. Kurias are feeling the same. Na ndetu ina basket Western yonde the Ruyas, the Kisii, the Kuria. All of them ukabalinganira amwe, those are more than 3 million votes. Kisii, Western na Kuria. We have above more than 2 million votes Ukambani. We have 5.4 million votes in Mount Kenya. Those regions yakiuka chiringanira, we are counting almost 10 million. Almost 10 million. We are about 20 million registered voters. Nyabongerekete munombuga in the next general election. Already before we start campaigning kana mbere to ambiri nya kuengatana na ile chike kene the region cia wake ciena around 10 million votes. Okay, yotara those arithmetics then it tells na totara Rift Valley mbuga anto barabe in one basket around 3.3 million votes. The Nilotes barabe be inclined towards the incumbent. The Ruto around 3.3 million votes. Other regions china Kikuyu china other tribes and other regions. So na ndinyara to taraga manto ja 5.4 million votes. There are so many regions to tiga chia Rift Valley ile tuije nyaku kura ikadia. We are talking with another person Rift Valley a crack in one of the county assembly. Ambiraga in Kalenjin what is happening now in Rift Valley. No konora to akalimero 2022 watuika kinganki roje nende gitigi na anto bakuma miaka 50 60 gwitio bawachi abawe the other generation itiko maidi manto ja muntu wetu Gen Z itiko maidi manto ja muntu wetu so Rift Valley okay, majority of the people the underage the kuma forte kwinama batiko mind about iwe wetu kate wetu ora nko inyerwa ni economy ndemeru no muntu akoinyerwa economy Rift Valley. So you expect Rift Valley has more vote than he lost to Raila 2022. Then kuna another constituency Matiang'i eneo constituency purely itekuria manto ja tribe itekuria ndemu Kikuyu ndemu Meru ndemu Kalenjin ndemu Luo itekuria ine bondi ya class ke right kana to ba bathomete na Gen Z. No to Gen Z they are tribalists. They are
actually gwe no ririkane kwe Gen Z bogete ibakwenda Matiang'i yako batongoria.
Very well. Utin Gen Z Meru, utin Gen Z Mombasa, utin Gen Z Rift Valley, bonde those people they are tribalists. Na iba kuona bena Matiang'i what they need barenda development. Tekwenda kuria onu wetu what have you. Like that even with a young man atekuria abagu no. No kuona. They are not interested with that. Na ndo kuona ukejotara arithmetic isu cionde ntikuona buruma whichever uria Ruto omba kupenya iwa kuga gategate yanga ziju 10 years bange bakareta 10 years you might be the first president witogetene after the first term.
Lakini now what might happen on to kwena rutera watu gaga Robaba baba mea era we president kivyake kwina rutero baba na now that twina Matiang'i noyo na no thirikari twineo ya president Ruto baba inge wetukana nani credible ati athingati baba baraba inge bethagirwa bari barungi yani bethagirwa wete baba bakamurikia tanto bakwina ina
anto baba nabo ukona ndi by the they are changing na anto baba bara baingi ba supportaga Kamemene ba mu support streetine ba mu support na Kanywa but they don't even vote. But 2022 nonera ba muikitie gwita kuringa kura barunga baungana thousands bamuringira gwita ringa kura aringa kura batiringa kura station ineu na bana bona ndi they support him in the street maandamano ne inde gwa Kenya kuringa kura batiringa kura ukeja gwita Nyanza voter turnout ira very low na ndi aton kwipo the diehards baba they don't vote baraba mo support kanje no to mimbi wa India chewe na ideology they are also moving away daiji baba atire mbarotine 2027 by virtue of age and by virtue of very na ndi
nakatonire auga the other day Kenya ibakwenda aya kuarania nabo si tukuito expect aya go
inyaga tonya gitine ukona inji either is so much important na big factor inyaki mato jagi kuringa kura baba power ale ne kana inyera ale ne 2027 te ale ne 2013 consecutively na ngene nyapa sampa 2027 batira ale ne 2022 te ne 2027 na nyara ayu geta kiba 2021 oranto ba incredible to baba te bari daiji na nyabara ba mo supportaga ba mwenya nyanze u ibambiritie kuona nande they are giving up no ma wanto kinyo kuona nande muntu nya to mo support mwankana he can't make it then another big mistake he has done all his life baba thirikari chondo to thirikari atitonyaga nande achi openete ja muntu very selfish we interest cia wenya bukanda mana street ni nyabo kwa bukathura bukathi akia ona power he is comfortable
athonga thirikari
atonya thirikari nene nande achi brandete ja muntu very selfish werere onerekera kuona he doesn't care about anybody else ko muntu nande no komya kwina muntu rational na nyabara batwire bagikuja nuntu bawe ibambiritie kuona these are different kind of person te muntu te patriot te muntu ko wanonto ba interest cietu muntu ko wanonto ba interest ciawe ikieto miraci yawe cia soft is okay dayo geto kamuri aliwa Ruto imaguta Ruto no mwega but the other day barari street ne bakiuga abantu jambe tu na shugulia motwe ina ndia kuona thirikari shugulia cia umire metwe na thirikari nyamberia kuthithia bwega nande na brandete ina very bad way ukona nande is losing his base kana is support base is losing that base and na mbugire karinya inyaga karakiruto mwanka 2027 inyaga karamu gwete inyaga karago mureketi wantu bakuganga akauma ati inyaga karamu gwete nto agupawathana na urumo 2027 watuika ki opposition ni gatara mathabu yao bwega na batige personal interest ketha imuto ja Matiang'i deputy bakaera bakiruja ira mazuba gwatene I tell you they wish them away but he might be the first president in Kenya witwegetene akienda ga second term
bwega sana tutidwa so much kire national politics gatu ya Umiru maybe kwine kare athie nambere kwa kiuma grantu ya Jumapili the former governor na athie nambere kwa igwa kila mucho na ante chiego jina mandu matakara bwega antie kanoni ndetu nona wewe nonire what you take was it right maybe kire askari kwine nambere kwa kuriria maybe the former governor kwa igwa kila mucho manyo wake
I think comment about our former governor siasa politics is is a nothing game na if there is an expert in playing those nothing games it's our former governor nonto iso egitene twamuonera agitonya ngare ne polisi na aregera ku na uga kugwatwa na uga imna abuko na create a lot of drama no kuona na ituonete rere ari women rep itware okaire gitara King'ang'i anto betete kwa gwita kuria manto ya tax which is on obligation kana responsibility every Kenyan every citizen kule ogoti na ndewe alienda Quran ate kuri ogoti anto bo muthingatĩria kwa we akina Ntoiti etwikire drama video ikijukagua etwika drama so inyara apanele on Sunday au notice kathirikari nye mugirairia kana the police ba mugirairia a person of his caliber no mwankethire mtumba kwa attract a lot of crowds batura Sunday tware na mubira Nkobo Stadium itware na polisi kieni tutare na polisi no tukaciejete kurigiria tuceriria mubira ciari kukenda i provide protection a former governor ti muntu munini is a leader still is an influential person na otumba kuweka mucemanio jotena security iketumia uthingatara even other protocols when you are having such a meeting kenda jo provide security no to ti security yaku aki ya muntu wejere mucemanio ne ena right ya kuma mucemanio ne gukari ethiria ne kana karibwega te ya mucemanio ne alingwa cuba te ya mucemanio ne aurwa ande atuika akujete mucemanio ne indi bamunya katwambiria kwa banga manto ya mathiko twambiria banga manto ya guchanga tuike mtu cibitari no tunejere mucemanio na it is the responsibility of the national government to ensure the security of every citizen. I think that is what they were doing. Na what happened? What happened and then no to the former governor is a drama. The former governor, the previous governor mwetere drama queen. No to nande jontono na utumbo mbira nande naito indonele some creeps. In those some creeps
utunga kinya utongwa.
Utumtu arasa kama mama. Utumtu arasa kama mama, utuwa muragia, utuwa odhiria bora, batyo kwa kwena mtu wena video yao, wena video uko yokia kiuga, acha kuguza mama, acha kuguza mama. Akagweta nyama leto tutumbo gweta acha rinione. Kwa hivyo nande like kakwenda ku seek sympathy yantu kana nande gutwika community kaambiririe ku with against the cultural norms no ringithirie mukuru na ara gutubatera ringithwo in public no kuona but ugori a man ugo your wife that ino tunyama mukuru kwantumba kwethera inunko jukia video akijo kwa search places akiringithwa search places na ni nkaletia unkiuga okamuringiria nkejo ya video those are dramas you expect a natural man
muringa aka
wethera na ndindura yukira nya research kairingwa no kuona so it tells you so much no tutumba mwakoro kwa aringithwa kibara nago o celebrate ukichukagia video ja spectator mubira no kona so otegero kona in drama for creating drama cia ku attract a lot of sympathy a lot of nini ndaigwa ba gutonyeri nya kama cinani o ba
actually na thie na mbere kwa kimoro tithagire munuga no abanga
hauga no raba ande kama cinani ri senator inaitana na manto ja national security inaitana polisi that are very complete and department na different department etino ya influenced by akeja kwithira i kama jinani wa sukuma polisi bathithia u then areba sukumenya ri arenga bana atika kwika mecemani weka ya korea areba sukumenya gitari wa etharenga bana mecemani reka buka kama jinani arithugania ati umienda na ndi at the end of the day then again menya she is a person wendete kwa area ntu especially para kuona je kapa tena information no ntu everybody utemtu otije uteno seneta itana mato ja polisi under minister wa security na mtongora we some little influence manto na yeye maybe security ingavana na ndio uwo manto ja senator MP na la witana na ko command manto ja security chieta ko execute manto kana chieta ko aragania mechemanio endonsi akaja kwithira i crowd yetere aragania mechemanio no uya politician no mobilize aketha ni antu betere bamberia ko aragania mechemanio no uge any politician no mobilize ile na this is a national security police wabambiriye ko in fact te abaragana ye mucemanio kabetete ku provide security abono ore abonere beja na ngari amberiyo tonya ngari ande abonere mucemanio ne nonto no atenda mucemanio juta bwega na kwenda gusiki sympathy amberiyo ko yoragania wengo akira ya ko thidiata kakugwata and it is not good we have come of age especially but the young generation we have come of age to kwenda drama to kwenda vitimbi to kwenda matoja maingi to kwenda sympathy to kwenda matoja tulienda maendeleo tulienda development to the future is ours itu tuena so much to lose if we lose our country we are the one who lose much but tuena miaka 30 40 50 igana egotora nte kuga mtu na kuja nyena mwaka jumwe but our tutigeria tuena life expectancy
Yeah.
kana kwirigira gutura miaka mingi yo nya Biblia itikairia muciari no bathi uthika mwana te mwana kuthika muciari. We are even into that na ndi batui we are the future. We are the future of this country. Na itutu na ndigorura sink we lose much more than the rules the older generation. Na ndi batutonya siasa cia vitimbi cia drama. What we need it is a country that is moving forward.
Wega sana, thank you very much nonto bogu. Maybe tukireka kageri kwa na tournament nara saba wewe ntikobete ni last weekend Nkobo Stadium. Maybe michelo eno ya lembi na iba maybe ba sponsor te michelo eno na igitumike bikwa na michelo eno na maybe ikendelea kana no ya rekagiriana.
Okay, mbuge yo kuitwa arena a tournament finals itwale achio Nkobo Stadium Shaba. And we appreciate the sponsors. Sponsored by three company. Na itwale na tukuijire Saturday and Sunday tukigeria kuoneria the community kana antura batere kuethera baki very responsible in whatever they do. Especially on matters of drinking. Ntoethara antu remo barinyua bagatinda mitarone bagatinda bateguita ngugi. And it was not so much about even selling the brand or selling it was about kumenyithia community the importance gukarabe soba baita ngugi kethero kaigwa gukunda wamba guita ngugi urikania ngugi no kunde wi tare ne ti gukunda besirio batere wiki acho mutunja. But so much I would ndenda kwalia matoja even that stadium it is our only stadium in South Imenti. Itogeria gusukuma mono na indagwire nyakairire atware aja no to CEC Sport is one of us arari former he is the vice chairman FKF Meru County or the branch na tuina some other especially our MCA is so much interested in sport. Keni kiuki asedara part of the team ngeta wa Nkobo veterans asedara ukieni nekiu kiawe home ground na ije the status uri kari na I'm reminding them we are our biggest interest our biggest passion ikuona keni kira kiete fenced. That is the only stadium we have in South Imenti. And ikafenzwa giatetheria team cia South Imenti cia tomono no to football ni kamete away from area to chethe ndaka ciume nturene ciume kunchobine ni we are monetizing talent. Na currently South Imenti one of the case of county league tuena timu yetu ya K6 Young Tigers iba kuendia player Timbayand FC iba kuendia player Kariene FC. Those are the upcoming development ira tukwendera cho South Imenti. One of our players umete Green Bombers Mwichione etarasisia ai yale cedra Greece turaria no the other day and he is even winning aseto ambiria go sponsor mubira South Imenti. So you see we have another one previous one eta kwa Kianja Mawira ai cedra Sweden. From South Imenti. So we are growing there na to take sport seriously. To me take just like any other sport yego eta kudirigeria nto kunyoncho obi ko banana drug kana kwa ambisi. We are monetizing talent na itokoromba even our leaders. We have come of ages. To tell na ndekwa manto jan drugs angazi twi tu mentolene tu ambisi. No, we are monetizing talent and we should take sport seriously. No, it is becoming an investment app. Okay, joteka ja England kana na ala maju timu mtu embecha nkurukie mtoro gutumira talent. Mucedio mubira, mucedio netball and that is what we want in our country. Wetekia neo spirit yere na babu na mwamba ruwe jama to ja Taranta hera, Taranta na hera. Umefanya Taranta unapata pesa. So we need them to take that seriously na pato support tego support kenda tuma ntore na tutiga kuthithia maweia kana tutiga kunywa drugs kana tuthithia ibato support no twitiza area tomba ko invest even in our youth no to they have talent na ikethera a source of income even to those teams. So far batu South Imenti na 37 teams. Na tuendelete na ligi yetu tuenda kudhiria fast track na yo kugana ndi that tournament. By the way we appreciate and we congratulate the winners the winners of the cup yatawa South Imenti 3 cup. They are Mashken FC team kuma Bogota West na ndethera our the MCA there the DMK na tuthikirite you should find a way out or support such ta team nonto team itabatere kuthe gicetha sub county in neri nya county the other time so we need tia county ne cetha above na itaitite ora itite nonto tutikwenda cieta igicoka bwanyuma na previously tware na Fair Play Cup na ndio tweterete Southiment League Cup maybe around July around August around September na we are doing well tuliromba well wishers and sponsors they come in and they support us. Currently we have we have 3 sponsors to na KCB. We are finalizing the modality of how they sponsors. If it can go through, we shall really appreciate to na individuals by river bangite nyabo come in with their small amount but sponsors in the league to na tumwetaga Charo Rukiko is an entrepreneur and a marimari around Rukiko para be around bakwero that praise kwena CEO Timbayan Teta Waruri mtu endete passionate with football so much so we are attracting sponsors in our league na bari jano tupa matera megaja kuthirika Southiment na tuiromba our teams na everyone else the stakeholders in Southiment let us join our hands together to we have a future we have a future the branch level they are supporting us very well under the leadership of Benson Kanyoro the CEC Sport Elias Murega they are supporting us so much and no to kwena that goodwill tiga tugwatane amwe tuitembere na I know sport, if we take it seriously, especially with our leaders, if we take it seriously, we can nurture talent, we can grow talent, we can use it as a tool. First for maybe the other stakeholders, others entrepreneurs, other sponsors as a marketing tool, and we can also use it as an investment hub where our youth can invest in their talent. If you cannot be able to utara madhabu jara yao njibura na no kumba kuringa mubira jo gutethie na no jo gutethie and we can only do that if we get the support that we require from our leaders. Na I reiterate again, urgently in Southiment we need Shaba or the Nkobo Stadium fenced nonto itukwenda one of the or even our big teams itukwenda cicetherara nonto most of our teams you regional you division 2 itenjirenge kuona revenue through funds na when afana itasiringi 50 20 bob 30 bob akaja gwita mubira jo babukaurwa kamba iria komatuka so what we need that stadium fenced na facility ina bioro biro bithithe tu bite gwita ngobwega ikirwe facilities itwekere kandarasi kindogo tugakuligeria riwa twekirwe fence tafu nya tukanda nyanyaki kieni kira gitwike the way it is fenced at least fans beja ku yarasi sande twali almost 2 to 3000 fans kida tournament and we were ndauragia na ndimubira ju nya tulitie mtu kibao timu ile gucetha gau ile ona fans nya cia kwena manyake daga kwena maga Mombasa no kwa nonto we were so many na ntu ibendete sport lakini kieni kira kija kwitha ki fenced no tumbe collect revenue 20 bob 30 bob tukaria kioro na nya county kuonera some revenue ale so tiga among anything else berebe jana ndiko tu brandera jase bakatwa jase ciandiki marito yao tukaba advertise tukiringa tournament bere tuthira matara nonto I know that is where they are waiting beterete twambiri ukinyamanto ne jase aja bambiri uturetera jase na mebira tukiani me abati umenya Gen Z ibo kurakiri we are marketing them and they are using as a political tool bere tukinyau nonto tupaga tutumira bere batutumira ibatuthirie some of the facilities we need just stadium ibatuthirie na twakinyau tu tuaba support nonto we are also part of the society but ina ndiba tuthiria tukwenda batuthiria kenda ja tuteithia ke mubira and we shall highly appreciate
bega sana maybe kwena mubira wonge next ukaiwa gicetha wakana no yetu rareo maybe program wikariata
okay ndaria ndi manto ya Southiment county as a whole kona kwena kama shinani tournament inaendelea is instrument by the way I appreciate him Mheshimiwa he is doing very well Kimanto ja sport he is one of the leaders pato supportamo no Kimanto ja sport no tonandi ku ali traverse all the county now we appreciate him so much no toba matara kuthithia na gutuma community especially our youth twithira tuli amwe na tugikuragia watare the IG currently in Southiment ni nkugana ndi around July September twena League Cup tuketha twena such a ceremony again tucethe turingia mono twena zone ithatu twena zone A zone B zone C tuka pick number 1 number 2 from each and every zone twena turinge playoff somewhere tuone number 1 2 3 barigi baraba promote to the county level na still the number ones bakieza kwa biewa trophy na monetary values kulingana na sponsors para tukaya tuko bring on board but in between before tukinyarea our league is attracting so many sponsors. Yeah, unande trace bejere the other day but feel they want to be part and parcel of us twaringa nabo on Sunday kuthira baliwa nya bathithagia twice na iya twabera nya tutikwenda twice na iya bathithinya wansi akinde gakurukirwa so Southimenti Trace Cup ni ete annual event every year tuketha twina such a cup currently ndabera Southimenti twina ikombe bithatu twina Fair Play Cup twina Southimenti Trace Cup twina Southimenti League Cup mwongera thaici na itugo in between now and mbere ligi ethira that is around August September tukona other sponsors para baketha still bakienda gukam in either through a tournament or through sponsorship to the league. So currently tutena any other person we in between now and September but we are very so much hopeful to even after event yes and so many people are getting interest with whatever we are doing there na iba kwenda ku get in only that we are tutenda kugawira manto muno tunayo for interest of our teams we must do due diligence kenda to make sure whatever we are doing we are not exploiting our youth we are using them to grow we are growing their talent we are growing them and we are growing football not to no tonande me aini bonde no umeri au akati kana ndega kwenda ku exploit our youth so we do diligence so many people want to come in but nande itoko kira kiriria tukidogo nyamu wanke jojo thira yo mureju nyama chikine ile kia celebrate then and we are hopeful other people will come on board na tuketha twina several event anga kwa rikantu kungo tutinde na gwao football is a unifying factor.
Yes, absolutely. Maybe mujimbo Southimenti nether twagetethire maybe in a way kire ukora kwa mubira
so far for the last 2 years tutiro na atira come in na ntenda konjanje tu ali ngwetekia na tutege na ntegerete mheshimiwa Dr. Shandrak itugeretie ukenyera obisiewe we've done tuandikite proposal tugeretie ko shantu bube close to we kenda tuona ida no tone kikao nawe kenda to mwarundi map a plan of what we have no ntumubira Southimenti na ndite jora jwa ambeje mboe ngirima kana jari buringe we have a plan to eneo around 40 pages there is what we are planning for our teams na round map ya to eneo mwanka tukinyere the growth kana objective ira twinacio na ndi itwachoaga kikao nwe timono tournament timono a tournament lakini tumuonia vision kana kione kikira twina kio or now we can support it no twinkwirire sport we are moving away from angato ciuthurane twevere njobi twevere so many things it is becoming a venture na ito mochwa mono kenda tumwa the plan na objective ira twina cio about our youth about the young people in football ikenda omba kuona ule omba otethia no football we are growing there twina junior teams ira ndatu in Southimenti we have 6 ladies teams 3 in the county league na ndemo vile jojo another dimension we timu kwethera Southimenti na boys teams na ladies teams na ina junior teams na tutekwenda tu etweka tu no jazz no more the way it has been used to na ndike tumitura mucho for that reason no tuterenda kwandika budget turumo mutumira budget tumwira turenda tournament ye 1 month turenda tournament ya 2 months turenda tournament ya 3 months irenda milioni imwe irenda milioni igiri turenda atumu plan ira tweneo as much as not tulinge tournament kana tukalinga something else ende one kione kikiko twina kiono ntobwa Southimenti one how we can come in akimejokagia ja murandi kana ja project urakujukia project ya barabara urakujukia project ya wakairash urakujukia project ya kumenyera manto jegi security police stations ajukia sport is as part of the project te as a political tool te jonto ba ko dithia tournament for publicity iturenda to muoni kira kinde ne to ndo what is in our mind about football and how it can be a project by itself amejoki with that seriousness itigyo karatu unkuga we've come of ages ito kwenda kwevera manto ja traditional jara ja sport jazz sport imanto jaresha it's not a leisure, it's no more a leisure. We have a plan, we have a budget, we have a vision, short term, medium term na long term objectives. And currently we've not seen any of his assistant, but we are hopeful. We are hopeful na to nyambuga na ndikirite mheshimiwa, if you get this just give us time. Not to time ake, we are not demanding. Not to time ake to mueleze whatever we have. Aigua sawa, then you can subscribe. If aigua kwena kukunindi some kupigwa mzaza atusaidie, but we are intentional. We are intentional in developing ama evolving football in South Imeni. So mheshimiwa na tukarende guru atutetherie amekamatite nkorone uga kamatite mirandi ingi njira nambi atumwira na twikire nkorone akamate yo murandi jwawe na tinjire kumuperaise youth injire gutethia youth nonto najua kwa mtu mwenderaga mubira is a cat in religion umpendete mubira ura mtu endete o Kristo o Muslims bendete manto ya religion yao mubira is a cat by itself na mtu mubira tumwereza gintu kingielewa so you can only help him through mubira juga atethekere mubira ne juno nto no joenda nonto ni nande we jombira pendete mubira ya yo cethwa ukambira manto ya anything else nya traktekere kinja ara ne untita kuona irinja ramisa isireko undienda kuona mubira jo kithithia ta jo engro kana mubira jo kuringwa kienine so not take them as a cat by itself our religion na abatethie with their faith because they believe and their faith is football is a tool they love it and it's a tool that can propel them to greatness tiga abatetheria uba kwenda nkoro ciao iri.
Thank you very much, wa credible na ibwega nonto bwa migambo imilongo etu ya mheshimiwa na arari wewe na rivite kwina mbere kwa wakewa na ngwetigia akarutha gantu nonto bwa imutongole wakuthikira maybe tukirikire migambo mugi nonto bwa utu wa Kenya nonto bala.
Okay, awuni tukithiria mbuge na ndende encourage ya youth ya Gen Zs. We are there to get to we are tribalists, we are fearless. What we need in development. Na mbuge jonto tukuga manto ya biama biejete no kugwa kwena kiama kewa munyoro kwena biama bingi bikafomo Nyamiru tukiwa ibietu na tribal parties okuga ukambani bena kia Wiper those things na mbuge those things they are ichikuruki negita party chia community ichikuruki negita nonto what especially to us as youth nonto nyake athaito ka form nyake amageto meru ibo nonto bubwega nonto tuyuga ngamba gaining nini yakarayeka gwikikire Kenya tutete kutharana twinde na tutikurie eka keki we koneka ataka tutete kutharana mbuge our generation now bado tukuona keki twetete otharana turona keki twetete okurie nene aburu kenda kila mtu omba kunganirwa nayo na aria na nonto babu ukethera nde especially these parties ukethera party ethera ne community je miru utimo yuthi nya wona chance nyatoka kiembrace ata nyatoka kikuria ata gatwika ikiama giki ne utimo yuthi ukona chance ya ewa nya chance ya gutwika athurwa kana arunga mana kiama kiu athurwa MCA MP o anybody else no tukona ndi kiama kia formwa kirienda utegera antura fulani no tomba kunenkera gitiki agachinda no tonenkera no tomba kunenkera gitiki kia agachinda no kona at the end of the day youth we are left out ndiuga batu we to move out of the mantuja political party cocoons to something else na ikionko currently turona kwena biama bite popular dai ya ruku akurukire mbere with DP na kwena wivu yundi na ndio want that even to happen here in Meru and any other region nonto tukunguru tukuma au kwa manto ya kutekwa mateka akiri manto ya mbi ya political parties for example kwena biama bibi bingi muno ya ikwena kia makiu kia kwena ya Ford Kenya Meru membie taratonya bati ni gutonya na nino to kiama kia Simba ya kiu kia Simba Ford Kenya ireo tiga tone yani ndatamani muno utikethera kwena those biama bikugwata community gwatwika na ndinya no yono biama bino byo totonye inya tongere batibui no turejere na kiama getu those parties chiko emanji even especially in our region tiga youth to embrace biama biu na to identify abio ketha ya Simba ya tukatonya ki Simba tukauga ki kiama kia Gen Z au ukifomu kienu kia community bathi tukikio gitu kia Gen Z au ukifomu kienu kia Wameru kia Wakikuyu gitu kia Gen Z no tugite kumenyekana fundi Kenya ni njeru Meru kikio gitu i kiama kingi gite kumenyeka kwenu kikio kienu as Gen Z to ni ku no ntonande ku botu muntu bochindanira no na we as young people tukabwa kura we shall vote win na we encourage all of us tika tujukie kura either we elect a person we na miaka ewe ndio ukolisonate with our thinking as young people or we elect the young people ourselves in. That is when we shall bring the change that we so much aspire. So ndiromba all of us youth itoetere street ine tukijaribu kurindima our country. Let us register as voters, we redeem it completely 2027.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bwega sana. Thank you very much Murithiri wa Meru TV na kinyago nkatho cha mwanya tuno ntuko kwina mbere kwa weki onini ya TV yaku kumaria to ina mbere kwa tukemba ndara itha chronometer yakwa kambira tha chetu chiri na mbere kwa giro tiganga kidogo na bwega nuntu bwa credible kwa ina mbere kwa weki yana tukaina mbere kwa tukeragire mantu makona mwerekera umugongo bwega nuntu kwera wa mugongo tena gambi utwikaga nkezi kana maitha mabaraba twika nkombo chibaraba nge actually ko bwega no tuba kwina mbere ko keya kengo twina mbere ko iwa tukenti kumeka ko bu ati wa wingirite o mendere kemu tukiumugaruka
akeno kuga ibwega no tuba mutegerio Meru TV na mutondera twega twine karukereruru no tubanya kugita shuguri nge cionte kenda tuthikirana na para bonde bathikira Meru TV no Meru TV is one of the oldest station in Meru na station irete manto jameanka na station irete muntu weito na ingi si omba kumewetania nyana muntu ije station yedara ekembuliza everybody whether you are fully attended to that or you are fully attended to the other one so we encourage people to support us as Meru TV no to this is the best station in Meru.
Thank you very much. Bwega sana, thank you. Bwega Murithiri wa Meru TV tu. Ntina bonge tu tutaya kwina mbere kwa nkio mugaruka twa kwendera kagita kega ntwembe kuma kiretio kego. Kabuthira mabitani family zwa kimathi rutora rungende ona karo noe ukaririte gitigia kumbere keria na bwega sana nuntu bwau tukaina mbere kwa twe kwendagira ntu emega.
Thank you.